guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe. This is a detailed tutorial of the drugstore products, which products I have and what products you can buy or you can use in drugstore range. I love creating this video. I absolutely enjoy creating this video, and this video is special, actually very special to me because of two reasons. The first being that I took makeup classes in the previous weeks, and I earned my first amount. I earned my first pay, and I was very happy, and I'm so thankful for all of you who trusted in me. And I was so happy when I was teaching you all the makeup classes, when I was taking the makeup classes. So from that, I bought two products for my makeup, and I wanted this brand in my vanity since a very long time, but कुछ ना कुछ की वजह से I was not able to buy it. Sometimes the shade was out, and sometimes it was not being delivered because of COVID. So I finally I have them, and the brand is K by Katrina. I love this brand. I always wanted K by Katrina in my vanity, and I finally have them. So I ordered two products of K by Katrina that you will get to know in the video. So I hope you all will really enjoy watching this video. And the second reason being is I wanted to give a big shout out to Tejal Talvi, the graphic aspect. I leave her Instagram handle below in the description box. Do check her page out and do follow. She is amazing. She does super work, and she has designed a very beautiful video art for my channel, which I absolutely love. I hope you all will enjoy watching my K by Katrina products that I used. And do not skip this part because I'll be launching the video art in this video for the first time and in the coming videos. So I hope you all will really enjoy watching this video. So without wasting much of the time, we'll quickly jump into my video art first and then my video.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
Okay, so the first product that I'll be telling you about is moisturizers. See, there is a variety of moisturizers in the market that you can use as drugstore products. There is Pond's, there is Lakme, there is Maybelline, I guess they don't have. We have Body Shop, we have Nivea. So a whole range of products are there which you can use. But over the years, by using some of the products, I realized that aloe vera suits my skin the best in every possible way. So I have stick to this one gel. Like, I've been using the Patanjali aloe vera gel for, I guess, now over 7 or 6 years. I've been using this from the time this was launched in the market, and this suits my skin the best. I've tried many other aloe vera gels or different brands, the organic ones, the Mama Earth one, many I've tried, but compared to this one, I've not found anything better for my skin. And in moisturizers, I have been using my Lakme 925 Day Creme SPF 20. This is the day creme, and it comes in the night creme as well. But I prefer using the day creme one. I've been using this from past 3 to 4 years now. And it is one of the best SPF enriched creams I have been using. I used the Nivea one also, but it did not suit my skin at all. So if you have very sensitive skin and like dry to very dry skin, I would not recommend you to go for the Nivea one. As per my experience, I will definitely recommend you to go for the Lakme one because it is superb. Like, it is really superb. It has sunscreen in it, and if you apply like a generous amount of this, it provides you proper hydration, and then you can skip sunscreen if you want. So like, go for this one if you really want a good hydration cream which has sunscreen also in it, because this is SPF 20, which is great, I think. So I'll be using my Patanjali aloe vera gel, and the thing that I realized over the years using it, whenever I used to do my makeup and I used to apply it before, like, it worked as a primer also. So I had to apply the primer or the pore minimizer that I have in less quantity, and I applied this much amount of aloe vera gel before doing my makeup and rub it between your palms again. So it generally really it works best as one of your primers. Then the next product I'll be telling you is primers. Okay, I do not have many drugstore primers. I have 3 of them as the Highland primers. I have my Bare Minerals, MAC and Body Shop. So in drugstore primers, I have used many of them because I wanted to try that which suits my skin best, and I have realized that silicone primer, that has the silicone or gel based primer, suits my skin the best. So I have my Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It is for 500 rupees. It's I think 30 it's 30 grams and it is for 500 rupees. So the thing is, it is a best drugstore primer I have come across the years. I tried the Color Bar one, I have tried the Wet n Wild one, but the Wet n Wild one did not give me proper dewy finish as it was written on the packaging of the product, and I was happy with the results of the primer because my skin looked different and I absolutely was not satisfied with that product. So I tried the Color Bar one, and that is average primer. Like, it will give you a nice finish to your face. It will give you a good like a proper pore minimizer or a good primer. But if I have to choose between Color Bar or Nykaa, then I will definitely go with Nykaa, because A, this is a silicone based primer which suits my skin best, and B, being the part that it is very smooth on your skin. Actually, it is written on the packaging also, it's smoothen plus perfect your skin, and I totally agree with this packaging of the product, because when I applied it for the first time, it was so soft and so smooth on my face. It actually gave me a canvas like finish. I told this in my previous videos also. So this primer is actually one of the best drugstore primers I've come across in the market. So I would highly recommend that if you are looking for a primer, then definitely go on for this one. Then the next product that I'll be telling you is foundation. Okay, I think you all know which is the only one foundation I use, whatever makeup or wherever I am going, I need this with me. So the foundation is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and you all know the shade number also. It's 220 Natural Beige. I feel like I have new subscribers, so for them. Okay, I have in the high-end detail tutorial video also. If you haven't watched it, it is on my channel. Go and watch it out soon. After this or before this, you can watch it. So you have seen me using this foundation every time. You have seen me what my review is on the foundation, how it magically works on your skin. It is a super foundation. So I guess I'll just directly use it now.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you.
One pro tip, you can see the size of my beauty blender is increased. The thing is, I washed it yesterday, and I would highly recommend all of you who apply makeup on a regular basis, or who have YouTube channel, or they are doing something related in makeup, wash your beauty blenders once in a week when you apply. If you apply makeup regularly, or if you like apply makeup twice or thrice a week, wash your beauty blenders every Sunday or like once in a week. It will give you some instant coverage, and it will work more better. See, you can how damp and soft it is now. So I would highly recommend you all that wash it once in a week and then use it again. Product that I'll be telling you is concealers. So the thing with concealers is you want a concealer. I think everyone wants a concealer which is full coverage. It hides all of your darkness under your eyes, some like in near your mouth area or on your nose. So the thing is, I would recommend all of you to use a concealer which gives you instant full coverage. Like when you apply it, you know that this concealer will give me full coverage. So I have tried in drugstore, other than the 3 concealers I have tried the Sugar and the Lakme one. The Sugar one gave me a fair amount of coverage. It is a good concealer, but when I applied it, I felt and when I set it with the translucent powder, I felt a little bit of heaviness under my eye. And the basic thing with makeup is you want your makeup to be very light on your skin. It should not feel heavy. So I have the 3 best concealers with me. I have my Maybelline Fit Me, I have my 2 Age Rewind concealers. The Maybelline Fit Me is in the shade Light Pale. It is not my shade. I use it to brighten my under eye. And the Fit Me concealer gives you a fair amount of coverage but not full coverage as the Age Rewind one will give you. This is the best concealer in the drugstore range that you'll come across. It is superb. You can just go on with your concealer. You can go on with the concealer in the area where you feel that some darkness is there, and you can go out perfectly with concealer and setting powder. This concealer works magically. Trust me, magically. You have seen me talking about these concealers in my video. You have seen how instantly it gives full coverage and how soft and really nice it looks on your skin. So I'll be using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Medium Moin, and one I have in Light Pale which I use to brighten my under eye. So I'll be showing you with Maybelline Fit Me and my Age Rewind in Medium Moin.
I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know.
Then the next in we have setting powders. Okay, so in setting powders, I have only 2 setting powders with me. Actually, the second one is in mid-range to drugstore to high-end. Otherwise, I have all of the high-end ones. I have my Maybelline Fit Me one that you see me using. So this is the best, like the best drugstore powder. I would not recommend you to buy any other powder if you want a setting powder in drugstore range other than to go for the Maybelline Fit Me one, because this is the best translucent powder that you'll come across. I have read the reviews of K by Katrina powder also, and I found the reviews very nice, so you can try that out. But if I had to choose, then I would definitely go with Maybelline. The second one I have is the Body Shop Extra Virgin Minerals translucent powder. So this ranges from between to drugstore to high-end, depending on the size of the product. Like if you want a smaller one, then it will come in drugstore. So I have this size, so it is the high-end one. So I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me as you have seen me using it in my all of the videos.
You don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you.
the brush as you saw, and I was cleaning my wardrobe and I found this sponge in my wardrobe. So it came with a Body Shop sponge with this powder. So I have not used it once also, so I wanted to try, because these round sponge, when you have to set the makeup under your eye and the translucent powder, it really works well. I've seen in many makeup tutorials on YouTube, so I just wanted to try it out. So this side you can see as I set it with brush, and I'm going in with the sponge with this. So let's see how this works and if I get the same result by using this or not.
I remember fleeting times when we watched the spark so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. When you with me forever young. Now I don't know you.
It's a sort of a mix coverage, or it's a mix, like I would say, finish. But I think I'll be trying it with this one with more of loose powders in my coming videos. I'll be trying it with this one, and let's see how it turns, how the results are of this product. Eyeshadows. So in eyeshadows, I have two drugstore eyeshadow palettes with me. One is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette 06. Sorry, I have this one with me right here, and I have the Maybelline Nudes, the 24K Nude palette. I have this here. So these are the two drugstore palettes I have. There are many drugstore palettes, as I said in my earlier high-end detail tutorial also, that there are variety of eyeshadow palettes in the market, but it actually depends on you which palette you want to choose and what type of shades you want in a palette. If I would have to go for a palette, then I would definitely look for a palette which if in drugstore, which is versatile, which has the basic shades of different colors, so that I can work and I can create different looks with it. It will not just confine me to pink shades or neutral shades or nude shades or smoky shades. So I would definitely go in with that palette. So that is the basic thing I don't like about Nykaa palettes. And actually Nykaa palettes come in the high-end range only, because like 1500 bucks for this palette, like this size palette or less than this, and it has only like 10 shades, and those 10 shades are confined, like the chocolate chip one, the chocolate chip one has only nude shades or the neutral shades. So I would not recommend you to buy that palette if you are looking for a drugstore palette. So then I would recommend you to go in with the Swiss Beauty one, because see again this has pink shades, nude shades, and the eyeshadow palette is just superb. They are highly pigmented, they do not smudge, they stay on your eyes, and they just give you a superb finish, and you trust me, you can create several eye looks and very magical eye looks with this eyeshadow palette. So the thing is, if you're going in with K by Katrina, then you have to buy the different eyeshadow sticks, and each sticks will cost you 600 bucks. It is of 600 bucks. So you have to buy the matte ones if you want like brown or nude or black, and you have to buy the metal one if you want the glitter one. So like you can go in with K by Katrina, because see, the product quality is very nice. It's really superb. So you can definitely go in with this one, and I say you can go in with these palettes also. Apart from this, if I would recommend you is you can go in with the Nykaa, the new edition palettes, which is like a very sleek palette. I'll put a picture of it or the link in my description box, you can check it. So you can go on with that. Other than those, I have not. You can go in with the N and K. I'm not sure of the brand name. but I'll list it. I'll leave the link of that product in the description box below. You can go in with that. You can go in with Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes are really nice and they're very affordable. You can use the K crayon today in the eye look. Let's see, but I can definitely show you which shade it is. So the shade is Fortune, and I'm so proud of me that I finally, from my hard-earned money, I am able to buy these. So this is how the shade looks. You might not be able to clearly guess how the shade looks until I wear it. So let's see if I can use this crayon today in the eye look. 20 brush for the eye look, and I have not tried this medium nude and pink shade, so I think I'll be going in with this one.
So far, now I don't know you, you don't know me. Too. When you with me forever, yeah. Now I don't know you, you don't know me. Too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would know.
Okay, see, it's a really nice pink to dark pink, medium pink tone shade, and I actually really like it. You can wear it as a daily look also. Wow.
Out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet, I would feel my heart beat. When you looked and smiled at me, back then our love was so strong. We want.
So I don't think that this K crayon I'll be using it today, because I think that this eye look is looking pretty as it is, like a neutral pink and a bright color on my eyes, so I will not be using anything. So I think this look is complete with just this. If you all want that, you want this, if you all think that this look is a little bit way pink for you to carry out or to pull out, then you can definitely go in with a liner. Just apply a black liner and you're good to go. But I prefer keeping it this way, and I prefer not to use liners. Okay, you all know that I do not have any drugstore mascaras, and I have not tried any of them. To be honest, I have not tried any drugstore brand mascaras till now. But you can, I have, according to the reviews that I've read, you can definitely go in with the K by Katrina mascara. It is really good. And you can go in with the Sugar mascara, or you can go in, if the Maybelline mascara, yes, you can definitely go in with the Maybelline Colossal one. It is the best, again, the best drugstore mascara. So you can go in with these. But for today, I have the Neutrogena Healthy Volume Waterproof Mascara. It is between drugstore to high-end, like in mid. So I'll be using this one today.
When you looked and smiled at me, back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out.
Time for face products. So in face products, I have like a mix of all of them. So starting on, I'll be telling you the palettes that I have. I have the Mini Stay by Miniso Glamour Highlight and Blush palette. You've seen it already. So these are the shade ranges. You have blush, you have contour, you have highlighter. And it is a best travel palette you can travel with. And I absolutely love this palette because it is really pigmented. You have seen it in the videos. Then I have the Maybelline Master Chrome face palette. This is in the shade medium to dark. This is in the shade medium. So this is how it looks. It has highlighter, blush and contour, 3 of the things, and it is highly pigmented. It gives you a very natural and fine finish to your face. So I really love this palette, and like if I have to travel and I have to take minimal things with me, then I'll definitely take this palette with me. Then I have my Miss Claire palette, which is a bronzer and highlighter. This is 01 shade number of the palette. It has 2 highlighters, it has blush and it has a bronzer. This is also a very affordable and a very nice palette, and I actually really like Miss Claire products. They're very nice. I've used Miss Claire products over the years now. So I really like this one because see, the thing is, what I look in the palette is it should be very pigmented and it should not smudge, and after a certain period of time it should not, like whatever I've done, the face makeup, it should not look very dull or anything like that. So I need those things in my palette. So I think this and my Maybelline one works perfectly. I love these palettes a lot, and I can definitely create infinite looks and subtle looks and proper face makeup with these 2 palettes. In contour right now, as I mentioned, I have finally the K Beauty contour stick, and this is in the shade Caramel Focus. So I'll be using this today. Yes, so I love K by Katrina, you all know that. So, and I had tried this after I ordered and after I received the parcel. It is superb. It blends so nicely in your skin and it just gives some another effect. You see right now. In highlighters, I have the 2 in here, one in the Maybelline one, and like separate, I have my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. You know that how much I love this highlighter. This is my top 3 highlighters. This is the first topmost, my favorite highlighter, and this is the product that I restock after it's get finished, and I do not try any other individual highlighter except for this one because I just love this. Then in blush separately, I have only 2 drugstore brush with me. One is the L'Oreal Paris True Matte Super Blendable blush in the shade Spiced Plum. This is how it looks. It is a very beautiful pink blush. It looks super gorgeous. And another one I have is my Maybelline Mineral Power blush in the shade Original Rose. This is how it looks, and is light, not very dark, but is a light pink blush, you can say. So because I'll be doing contouring on my face and I don't want like a very pink blush, I'll be going in with my Maybelline blush today.
It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me.
I'll be blending it with the help of a beauty blender. You can definitely use a contour brush, but I wanted to try it with a blender, and I feel that cream contours blend really well when you use it with the help of a blender. Or I'll show you one more trick. See, this stick is extremely blendable. Like, it blends so nicely in your skin. You can definitely use your fingers. Just do like this. When you have to blend it, just blend it up like this. And see how fine it looks. You can definitely use your fingers also to blend this stick. See. And for face, I'll be using my blender.
Line of my scarce life, what do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me believe.
Blends it with the help of a blender, and I'll be doing my forehead now.
If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me believe. Let me.
My Maybelline blush, and this one I'll show you. See, this is how the color is of this, and again,
Let me believe. Hear the strong beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You gave me last night full of bright lights, and take away my fear of falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When I bleed out, will you carry?
I'm a palette by Miniso, and I'll be taking this light highlighter color over here, because I've done contouring, like I've done very high contouring today, so I want it really natural and in that way. So
To see, you gave me last night full of bright lights, and take away my fear of falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights?
and I just fell in love with the K by Katrina product even more, and the contour stick is, my god. And all the contour lovers out there who really like contouring, definitely go buy K by Katrina. It is superb. You can see how perfect and how natural the contouring is looking, and how perfect it's looking. Like I can wear this makeup every time and it looks really perfect, and it is so easy to blend. As you can see, I blended on my jawline with the help of my fingers, and see how naturally it has blended. So I just love it. And then I'll be telling you now is my favorite part, and I think you've already guessed it, is lipsticks. Yes. You all know that I have many lipsticks, and I am extremely sorry I cannot show you all of them, because then it would be a very long video. Starting with the first one, I have my Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick in the shade 21 Kufri. It is a beautiful pink shade. I have my Nykaa Mini Matte lipstick. It's not liquid, it's a proper matte lipstick. It's in the shade 16N Spiced Cabernet. This is how it looks. Then I have my Maybelline Clay Crush in the shade 656. I have another shade of Maybelline in the same one, not Clay Crush, Sensational Matte. That is, the shade number is 21. I remember, I don't even know the name, but it's a bright pink shade. I'll leave it in the link below. I cannot find that one right now. This is how beautiful nude. This is my favorite nude lipstick, like in top 3 nude ones. I have my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 130, 135 and 15. That is, 15 is Lover, 135 is Globetrotter, and 130 is Self Starter. I have my Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in the shade 630 Velvet Beige. I have this one with me. I'll try and I'll link it down below because I have not seen any Maybelline lip liners on Nykaa, but this one is not from here, so I guess I'll try and I found it, but this is how it looks. Then I have my Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Mauve 1, and it's a beautiful nude. This is my second favorite nude one. So today I'll be using I'll line my lips with this one, and I'll be using this nude shade.
Will you carry me into the